Okay, folks, number 2. It says simplify. All right, so I'm just multiplying these two things. Folks, whenever I'm multiplying fractions, before I do anything, I want to factor these things and cancel them out if I can. Because if I don't, I'm going to get some real messy stuff that I'm going to need to factor later and cancel out. You know, when you were kids and you were just multiplying fractions with integers in them, right? 2/3 times, 6/12 or whatever. You could multiply them and then factor at the end because it didn't get that messy. If this stuff gets messy, we want to factor first and cancel out before we go on. All right? So the first thing, what is the first numerator factor to? Jet? Yeah, that's this one right here. Okay, no, it does not. It does not factor to a minus x squared. What is that, Ellie? It is the difference of two squares, which tells me that it factors to what? A minus x times a plus x. Okay, I like that. This thing I don't really need to factor. It's just a times a, so I'm going to leave it as a squared. And I got a up here. What about the bottom down here? Now this is interesting. Remember, we normally write terms in alphabetical order. And if we did that, these things aren't in alphabetical order. What do you think, Libby? I say pull out a -3 as well. Because then that's going to make it -3 times a would give me -3a. And then -3 times x. So we flip-flop those two variables, right? Nice. Well done, Libby. I like it.
Wait, why is it negative?
The reason we pulled out a negative is because, let me slow down here just for a moment. Ryan, remember, I like things to be written in alphabetical order, right? So this is really -3a plus 3x. You see, so now it's in the same order as this stuff over here. All right? So I'm going to pull out a -3, and I multiply that by a minus x. Okay? Yes. All right, so now I've got -3 down here times a minus x. It didn't ask for restrictions, Harrison, so I don't have to. What should I do, though? What am I ready to do? Okay, yeah, I want to cancel first. Do you see anything I can cancel? A minus x here, a minus x here. Anything else, Harrison? An a from here, and then one from here. And that leaves me just a, right? Now I'm ready to multiply. Cameron, what am I left with on top? A plus x on top. I'll put parentheses there just to remind me that it's a quantity. Okay? And what do I get on the bottom? Not a.
Oh, are you multiplying?
I am multiplying.
-3a.
-3a. So you see, I like that I kept it as a quantity because, Cameron, I'm not tempted to do this, am I? I'm not tempted to do that because I can see that the top is a quantity. I cancel the whole thing or I don't cancel anything. Okay? And that's it. We're done. It didn't ask for restrictions. That's our answer. Okay? Everybody good with that one?
Yeah.
All right. Nicely done. Let's look at the next one.